Hello, everybody. It's your friend Ira here. It's Friday evening, and I imagine everybody's pretty much done with work for the week because I'm in the Pacific time zone. So if you're wherever you are, you're most likely after 5 o'clock. So the challenge this weekend, it's kind of an extension of the challenge that I put out today, is what are you going to do to help people? One of the things that I did today, based on a previous conversation that I had with my friend Deanna, was I created some cover art. Now, all of us need help from time to time, and not everybody knows how to do everything. You can't possibly be perfect at everything. So eventually, you're going to need somebody's help. So, what is a way that you can kind of ensure when you need help that somebody's willing to do it? Well, one thing that I found is if I help others, they're more likely to help me, right? We reap what we sow. So my friend Deanna, she works for Dash Technology, so she's the sales manager there, and they are an IT firm who also does recruiting, and they specialize in placing purple squirrels. What does that mean? Like if you're a developer or a network geek or an IT guru, if you're looking for a job, you don't really fit a mold. They specialize in placing you because they speak all the IT lingo. So, anyways, I decided to create this cover art for her. I created her two different versions. This was my original kind of concept, and I thought, well, sometimes you need a bigger panoramic for cover images, depending on the website or if it's phone versus on your computer. So anyways, I created her two different versions. She may hate it. I don't know. I haven't talked to her yet. I've sent it to her and said, hey, I hope you like this. What do you think? So anyways, if you have some time this weekend, find a way that you could be a blessing to others. You may not use Photoshop. You might not be able to do art. That's okay. I'm sure you're really good at something that somebody you know is not good at. They wish they were. So try to find a way to use your skill set to be a blessing to others, and the world will be a better place. My name is Ira Bowman. I hope you have a great weekend. If I could be a blessing to you, let me know. I'd be glad to help you out. Have a great day, everybody.